Yo, I don't know why. I guess this is just gonna be my thing, like saying good morning, because I start most of the things in the morning, even though it's late morning. Hey, if you're watching this in the morning, good morning. So today's Sunday. Just decided to pick up the GoPro and filming. Gonna go to the shop and just do some basic tuning on the Brown Rod Burgundy, my 210. So we're taking old mustard here. Get some coffee first, and then absolutely trash, drifting in the mud. We made some circles, but not like, you know, any angle or anything. That's just maybe my fault, but we're gonna do some tuning on the old girl. It's almost been exactly a week since I last posted that video, the last time I worked on this, so you're initially getting the cold start of a week. And I think the choke is either sticking or I adjusted it too much on the carburetor itself to where it what's it called, it high idles at certain times, which is weird, but I may just have a screw and some other throttle. Seatbelt reminder, kids. Give it a couple hundred pumps of gas. Right up. That starter is 100% better, and it may be because I painted it Ford blue. It would not be starting if that was Ford blue. Why this thing doesn't sound like it's running, besides, you know, the mechanical noise under the bonnet, it's because this thing has its original exhaust, which is like tiny. This car is just, it's so mint. So mint. Just sit here all day and just look at it. But I'm not gonna do that. Not gonna do it. Gotta get stuff done, you know? What the heck? Alright, let's go for a low ride. Weber 3236 screaming, and maybe like the slight port and polish job I did on the intake valves. It sounds pretty scrumptious, diddly yumptious, you know? I'm just gonna keep going straight. Close this window too so the wind noise doesn't get too crazy. Need to fix that. Yeah. This and that sale. Okay, man, I can go antique shopping right now. Cars, but right now it's doing that high idle thing because I'm not pressing the gas. It's still going fast. But then you give it throttle and it's like it never happens. So that's why I'm thinking it's something to do with the choke, like it's catching on the inside. It's very weird. I mean, you know, we gotta try for this one. Yeah, no way. Shut that down. That's scary, dude. You see right back here? I don't know if you got enough light, but this right here, the screw with a spring on it, that's supposed to be your like throttle adjustment, right? Well, that throttle adjustment to where it's supposed to be hitting this piece of metal right around there, it's not even touching right now. More or less, it's not even moving back, and both throttles are closed right now, so it's just very interesting to me. I also adjusted this choke when I was out, so that may be, I don't know why I did that, but we're gonna adjust on that again. Oh wow, look at, see how it's got condensation on there? That's super neat. That means it's burning quite good, and it's sucking so much air in that the fuel is getting cooled super good, and it's making the little venturis here condensate from all this moisture in the air right now. Okay, let's see if that adjusted. Ah, yeah, you see there? That little metal piece that's connected to this throttle cable here has moved back, so now it's actually touching the throttle mixture screw, whatever you want to call it. But let's leave this off so we can get all the intake noise. And look at this fuel factor, boy. We are looking shenazzy. It looks like there's already some crap down on the bottom. Sweet. Let's go for another little rip around the block. We'll see what we've done. Maybe it's still complete crap. I don't know. Give these kids a little show, dude. We're back in business. Sheesh. Okay. I don't know why that day I adjusted that choke. Maybe I was thinking it wouldn't catch, or I was doing something that, you know, precautionary, but that was dumb. That was dumb of me. But hey, I learned something. You guys may have learned something with this like similar setup. But yeah, it's not keeping that weird throttle choke stickage, so that's good. I'm a Honda boy, just trying to make it. Oh, that's a nice house. Best tacos in town right there. Somewhat reasonable too. Oh, the fajitas too. You better quit playing, man. Those fajitas are good. God dang, dude. Oh. Yeah, I think it's fixed now. Damn. What is that? Bro, what is that, bro? This thing is good. Whew, so that will probably wrap it up. I just wanted to get like some more content out there for you guys. And this is like my day off. Sunday's my day off, and I just like spending time in a quiet town, which is in Seagrove. And it's really quiet here, and my shop's here. And probably someday I'll end up moving here in the near future. Maybe in like a year or New Year. But besides the point, Brown Rod Burgundy's running much better. It doesn't have that weird funky idle thing where it sticks. As you saw, it chirped first gear right there. Pulls great, has great intake noise still. Mustard, just slinging mud and taking names, dude. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you learned a little something. Hope you enjoyed the little intake noise if I got it on the GoPro audio. And yeah, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, comment. What do you want to see? Follow me on the Instagram at IsaiahHolden3. I don't know. Thank you guys. We'll see you later. I don't know why I always squint in my videos. I guess that's just my nature. Plus my hat's not forward, so I'm not. It's a little overcast. I gotta quit talking, man. We'll see you later, guys.